It wasn't just another gathering. It was something deeper. On this Good Friday, we remembered the sacrifice. He carried the cross. He bore the pain. He chose us. And in that moment, we didn't just watch. We encountered him. Voices lifted. Hearts surrendered. Lives touched forever. This is YouthAFlame. And this is only the beginning. Day 1 is done, but day 2 will be greater. Because the story isn't over.